Do you ever wonder exactly what you're getting when you make the decision to add new equipment to your practice? With Patterson, you get more from the moment you make your decision. You get access to our entire network of local experts to assist you in office with installation and onboarding. You get expert trainers who help you and your team master your new equipment and technology. You get the industry-leading support of the staff of the Patterson Technology Center, who are always ready to help over the phone, via online chat, or email. You get access to on-site repair, continuing education, a fully local team that lives and works in your community, our anesthesia hotline and service, vaporizer exchange, dental maintenance, the peace of mind that your equipment and technology follow manufacturer and state guidelines, and much, much more. Discount distributors can give you technology, but Patterson gives you confidence in technology.